good morning from Hardy's Bay. Just come to pick up my boat after she has been anti-fouled and various other work's been done, and we're going to head to Merritt's Wharf to get the mast re-stepped. New mast step been installed, looking very schmick. Nice base on it now, and yeah, fresh new plate which looks pretty businesslike. So we're going to motor on down to Merritt's Wharf from Hardy's Bay here. Beautiful day, so far so good. Bit of a sad sight this one here. It looks like a ketch has sunk a couple of weeks ago apparently, so never a nice sight to see. Anyway, let's get on with it. Well, with boating, you've always got to expect the unexpected. And yeah, halfway down the channel basically, I noticed there was no water coming out of the heat exchanger, the seawater exhaust. So yeah, I managed to grab a mooring here at Booker Bay, just close to the Rip Bridge, and awaiting I think he's here actually, the guy from the marina, to come out and have a look at it, see what the problem is. Anyway, and here he comes. Great to have the help coming out to have a look for us. Great guys down there at Kilcairn. And off we go, back in business. And back under St Hubert's Island Bridge. We did this about 6 weeks ago. Long time.
And here we are at Merritt's Wharf, getting a quick look at the mast while it is horizontal. Masthead light replaced, VHF aerial, obviously, not obviously, but the furler, the jib furler, and afterstays, forestays, and spinnaker halyards. So those all replaced. That's the masthead light and deck light. Now the mast itself had been primed and 2 top coats, looking very shiny. There's the flag halyard from the cross trees, and we can see the new halyards there, orange for the main. And the wiring inside the mast has all been replaced and actually put in a conduit rather than loose as it was before. We had to do a little bit of a change to the deck plate because it was actually the wrong way around. So that took a little time, but all was not lost and everything was put right. And we're ready for the lift here. So up we go. So you can see the halyards there with the wiring. The jib furler is that piece that's sticking out below the mast, and that will actually be reaching to the bow of the boat, obviously acting as a forestay as well, which was why it's longer than the mast at this point. So bit of a balancing act here, getting the mast completely upright, and then Rolly, the crane operator, the high ebb operator, was moving it over the top of the jetty, so the guys here could put the base plate in the mast, which just gets screwed in loosely, not loosely, but just with small screws to hold it in place. And then the tricky bit of manoeuvring it over the boat and getting it completely lined up. Yeah, there's a bit of jiggery pokery there, but it all went well.
Yeah, that's okay. Finish straight. Perfect. Stop. Slew forwards. Find it. Keep going. Oh, wait. Yes. How well is it? No, you're too far over, so you need to jib in. Move in, sorry, move in. Have you got, can you come down on that? No? Okay, you need to come forward a bit more. So can you slew right a bit? So your pin's on, is it? Yes. Okay. How much weight have you got? Yeah. Okay, come up a bit, come up again. Yeah. Just looking at the top, please. slew aft a bit. Stop. There we
It's going down.
Okay. Look straight from where I am. Okay. All right, come down on that. Yep.
It's moving. There you go.
Come down. Yeah, okay. Like you hold that.
Job done and heading home. What a great feeling. It's been 6 weeks since the boat was taken up, so good to have her home. Next stage coming up.